Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So continued rally, finally got the first cross of rotation zone and getting some separation. Did the GAN extensions up there. We had a cluster right around 98.08 to 98.18, pausing just there, moving sideways inside bar and taking off, blowing through our next 98.97 level. So fair amount of strength, not even a pause there on this chart, but it gave us the ability now to come up here and to get a pausing bar. All right, so finding some resistance right up near these candle bodies in the area we've talked about, 10,100. Now we have about 10,230 to 10,254 next cluster area on a continued rally, about 10,100, and then 10,355. Little shelf there, so would not ignore that level on a pullback. Key area we're watching right now is about 98.50, and if we drop below that, we're watching for about 97.25 are the two areas of support. Checking in on the daily chart. Daily chart, about 10,150 is also the declining rotation zone, so now we're back in the rotation zone. You can clearly see that here. 10,150, if anybody did get long, we're back through the 50-day exponential moving average. That'd be another good place to raise stops. And then you have the same clusters higher. Above that, if we continue the rally, this is cutting into a clear path with the eventual target of about 10,740. So those are your longer term numbers. Switching over to Ethereum, also able to do the GAN projections up, so that was from this major swing low up to this high. You could have either used this high or this high. They're virtually the same. Again, these we're not trying to get the exact number. We're trying to get an area, giving us 217, running up there, poking just through it, then pulling back, starting to get some separation in the rotation zone. First area of support now is about, I'm just going to be watching for about 214, then major support coming in about 212.50. If we fell back there, then I'd be watching, we'd be back in consolidation. This would be a false breakout, and I'd be watching the key support coming in about 209. Next level higher coming in at 219.32 right now. I'm just going to bump up these levels since we're getting a pausing bar, so everybody has the next levels above there. I'd be watching 219 to about 220.50, then above that 223. 223 also, you see this little spike higher before the big sell-off and this little shelf right here. So definitely do not ignore the 223 level. Switching over to the daily chart. Daily chart, expand it, move it up. So you could easily get to these levels and still be in the rotation zone, not even close to the other side yet. Now major resistance coming in on the daily at about 228. So continued rally through these levels. The next one is 228. Just going to bump these back down if we did sell off. If we got all the way back down through 197, then you'd be watching for about 193 to 191. So what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.